In today's tutorial, you're going to learn how to convert a document file to Epub. If you're an independent author or an independent publisher, you might like to convert your document, just as you can see on this screen, to Epub, but you don't know how to do that. This usually happens when you want to publish your book with Apple or Kobo Writing Live. Apple accepts book in Epub. Likewise, Kobo. Okay, so in this guide, I will walk you through on how you can do that. I'm going to explain two methods here. So, but anyone you feel okay with, you go with that. The first is to save this document, as you can see on the screen right now. So I'll click on File, click Save As, click Browse. Alright, so I will change this name and save it with another thing. After that, click on Save. Now I have saved this document file on my PC right now. So let's now go and do the conversion. The first is to open your browser. So I'm using Google Chrome here, but if you have Edge or any other browser, it's okay. As the browser opens, visit the website convertio.co. I have it in the description below. You can see that on the screen, so I'll click on it. The website has opened, so click on Choose File. Navigate to where the document is saved. So in my own case, I'll click on Documents and then get to the folder where I saved it, Sample Documents. Then I'll double click on Textbook. That's the name I saved the file with. As the file is uploaded on this platform, in the section 2, click the drop down. Select ebook and select Epub. Once you're done with that selection, click Convert. The converting process has started. As the conversion is done, click on Download. As you can see, it is done. So I can get to the File Explorer and then to the Downloads folder of my PC to see this file. Look at the book here. Okay, so I can double click on it for it to open. But if you don't have an Epub opening application on your system, it may not go through. Alright, so you need to go to the store of your computer and download the application. And here we are, the file has opened. So I can keep clicking on the side to get to the pages. So let's go learn another way you can still do this. The reason I want to discuss this method too is because there was a day I used convertio.co to convert my document, and after that I tried uploading the file on Apple and I kept getting the feedback that there was error in the file. So meaning that the conversion was not done properly. So follow me as I guide you on how you can do that again with another method. Open your web browser. Here I'm using Edge. Visit online.visual-paradigm.com. I have the link in the description below. As the website opens, click on Get Started for Free. On this news page, on the assumption that we have not opened an account on the platform, I'll click on Sign Up. Get to this section and choose how you want to sign up. In my own case, I want to sign up with Google, so I'll click on this option. Close this window. After I am signed up, you can see the interface. This is what you will see in your own end. So we want to convert documents. So Come to this tab and click on Documents. Click on Import. Click on Choose File. Select where you want to upload your file from. Okay, in my own case, it's already saved in my PC, so I'll go with option My Device. Then navigate to where you saved the file in your PC. So Documents, as I saved mine, then Sample Documents. Then double click on the file you want to convert to Epub. Once the document file is uploaded on this platform, it will open automatically. Our interest is to convert this document file to Epub. So let's proceed. Click on Share. In the section Export As, click on the drop-down and select Epub. Click Publish Book. The conversion is processing. 19%, 90%. Click OK. Alright, this conversion is done. You can see the file here, Textbook 1. Alright, because we have already had a file with the same name. So this is the conversion we did just now. So that is that on how you can convert your Word document to Epub for publishing. Please, if this video helps, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. If you want me to cover any related video in this area of interest, do well to drop it in the comment section. I will create time and create a video on that area. Alright? Thank you and see you some other time.